at you. Vin dipshit. You say fat shaming is wrong, so in response you show off your abs. You're the one fat shaming, idiot! What's the matter with you people? You're sad that people are mean? Well, I'm sorry, the world isn't one big liberal arts college campus. We eat too much. We take our spoiled lives for granted. Feel a little bad about it sometimes. No, you want to put all your shit up on the internet and have every single person say, hooray for you, you. You're all pricks.
You see that? Dana Patrick tried to get in my way. That pissed me off.
I'm on my way to the sheriff's department to pick up my incident report. From my understanding, when I left, he was supposed to call me the next day, which would have been Saturday, when he finished the report. I did not receive a call. It is a little past lunch on a Monday. I called up there and they said, yes, it's ready. You can come get it anytime. So here we go. Really would have appreciated a call though. Okay, well, we're still here at the sheriff's department, and here's the paper I came to get, and I'll show it to you on a screenshot while we look at these cops here. Hey, cops. I'm glad I don't get in trouble. I don't think I'd fit in the back of a patrol car no more. They really need to get bigger cars. But aren't the used cop cars going to be something else? I mean, I realize they're all 4-doors, but still, for a 4-door, not bad at all. Alright, so add to the tally another hour of time and 2 more gallons of gasoline. Alright, we're going to go to the house and get this sent off to eBay. Just got a message from eBay that they were going to review the case within 48 hours. So I don't have time to walk you through me scanning in the documents. I was planning on walking you through all that, but it's come down to just get it done. So that's what we're going to do, just get it done. I didn't show this part to you in the other video. I cut this document in half and just show you the part that I thought was relevant at the time. But I had just said I had got an email saying they would review my case and make a decision within 48 hours. And that was before I'd sent the police report. It says here that we placed this case on hold for 10 calendar days to give you time to file and send a report by August 17th, and it's, I don't know, you see that, the 10th. So I should have had another 7 days. But irregardless, I got my report in. They also wanted proof of my identity, so I sent them a picture of driver's license. So anyway, yeah, there you go. I got these at Walgreens. I bought 5 of them. They were half price. They were $4.99 a piece. I always seen Matt, the part-time picker, have good luck with these, although he's usually buying vintage ones. I thought those worth looking up, And here's the sold comps on eBay. And that's what they've sold for here in the past little bit. I may have to sit on mine until next summer. But if I can turn a decent profit off of them, I think it's worth it. I got 3 of these and one of the police dog. There's the cop dog. And you saw the little pony things, I guess, at the very start. And that's all I got. There was probably other stuff I could have got, but I wasn't looking to spend a lot of money. And this should list fairly quickly. And let's look these up and find some sold comps. The green ones will be sold comps. Comps means comparison. So I'm comparing this to what's on eBay currently or what is on eBay and has sold recently. So comp means comparison. Anytime you hear me talk about sold comps, I'm talking about what it has sold for on eBay. So anyway, let's I see I should have showed you those. And the black ones will be what is currently listed for. Some of these are pie in the sky prices and they'll never sell for that. And some of these will sell for that. So, as far as eBay goes, where we stand now is Friday. I got an email that stated I needed to have an incident report filed by the police, and I had 10 calendar days. That was Friday. This is Monday. I received an email saying that they would review my case within 48 hours. I immediately sent in the documentation that was requested, and now the ball's in eBay's court. No clue what's going to happen. I thought I knew, but I guess I didn't. So you'll find out when I find out. Until then, Man Mountain Link, over and out.
Oh man, that was it wasn't even a good effort.